Hi team. This is now the third time I've recorded this particular video, and it's Friday afternoon. So I'm going with the silly avatars now. So hopefully you find these amusing. In this video, we're going to go over the bivariate statistics. Okay, so let's look at our work plan first. Okay, so we have done the mean scores for multi-item. We have done the descriptives. Okay, we haven't done this. We're going to do the bivariates now. Okay. So on your analysis, these start at row 40. First set is correlations. Correlations are one of the easiest to do. Okay. So let's remind ourselves how we read this. So the correlation between work-related stress and overall well-being, correlation between work-related stress and motivation to graduate, between family stress and overall well-being, etc. Okay. Equals CORREL, correl, just short for correlation, parentheses. I go to my data, find work-related stress, column I, comma, looking at overall well-being, I find that, column AJ, close my parentheses, piece of cake. Okay. Going to reduce the number of decimal places to 2. Basically zero correlation here between well-being and work stress. Interesting. Okay. How about family? Equals CORREL, parentheses. I go to data. Now the order here doesn't matter. So I'm going to start in this case with well-being because it's on my screen. Okay. Comma. Go to family stress. Column J. Okay. Clean up my formatting. Some of my Zoom toolbar keeps getting in the way. Okay. Negative 0.21. So still weak, but meaningful. Meaningful. So as family-related stress increases, my overall well-being decreases. Can do the same thing with motivation to graduate. Let's corral. We'll start with work-related stress, column I, comma, go to motivation to graduate, column AM. Okay, I screwed up here. Not sure how that happened, but it's okay. Clean up my formatting. Okay, negative 0.1, so weak. Let's do family-related stress. Okay, and the order doesn't matter. I'll start with motivation to graduate, comma, family-related stress. I don't know why I keep putting my cursor in the wrong place. Okay, negative 0.24, still technically weak, but even stronger. So early on, it seems like family-related stress has a stronger relationship to outcomes than work-related stress. Be interesting to see if that continues to play out. So that's your correlations. The next table is the correlation between your coping strategies, which, by the way, I'm going to do another short video I'm probably covered in class on what these different coping strategies mean. Okay, let's look at a crosstab. Okay. So average stress by year in school. So year in school is nominal. Stress is interval. Okay. Unfortunately, I see 2 mistakes here. So first of all, we should have all of our stresses here. So copy that. I think all of these yellow. Okay. And then also it looks like senior is misspelled. So let's fix that. Okay. So you could say you have one nominal, one interval. You know, it's a crosstab. You could use your little table and know that's an average if function. So equals average if. Okay. So if they're a junior, so let's go to data. Let's find the year in school. Okay, that's column AO. So I like that. Comma. Back to my analysis, I click on junior. So if they're a junior, what do I want to analyze? Their average stress. So comma, average work-related stress specifically. So I go to data, work-related stress. Voila. formatting. Okay. Now, the nice thing about doing it this way, I can just pull it down. Family stress equals average if parentheses. Okay. Go to data, find my year in school first. AO, comma. Click on junior, comma. What am I analyzing? Their family-related stress. Column J, 1.3975. And I can pull it down. Okay. So one interesting thing here I want to point out, you'll notice work-related stress is higher on average than family-related stress. But family-related stress has a bigger impact on overall well-being and motivation to graduate. We saw that above. So think about how these things relate to each other. Just because the correlation is stronger doesn't mean that that stress is higher. It just means it has a bigger impact. And that'll cover your bivariate statistics. You can do stress by gender, stress by, the reason I do two of these, this one has a p-value if you want to tackle the t-test, but t-test can only do two. This one has three, although if I remember correctly, I do remember we didn't have anybody select a non-binary third gender, so we actually don't need that one. Okay, that's that. Shout, tag me, whatever you need if you have questions. Good luck, team.